How to download your LinkedIn resume. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a resume straight from your LinkedIn profile in just a few taps. First, open LinkedIn and click on your profile section. Now, click on the three dots. From the drop-down menu, select Save to PDF. LinkedIn will automatically generate a resume-style PDF using all the information from your profile, your experience, education, skills, and summary, and download it straight to your device. This is a quick way to get a basic resume without building one from scratch, especially if your profile is already up to date. If you want a more polished, formatted resume instead, go to the Me icon, click Settings, select Data Privacy, scroll down, then look for Job Seeking Preferences. Now select Resumes and Job Applications Data, and you'll find the resume that you've uploaded. To download it, click on the three dots and click Download. Then it will be downloaded directly to your device. And that's it. Downloading your resume from LinkedIn takes just seconds and gives you a quick, ready-to-use document anytime you need it.